Welcome back to Invest with CRNT, and today we're going to be talking about a penny stock that ARK Invest bought 1 million shares of. Yes, you heard correct, 1 million shares. But before we get into this video, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, help me reach 1,000 subs by the end of the month, and also hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities. I recently recommended some stocks that have done very well. DSGT, I told you guys to grab it on the dip. It dipped to $0.66 and now it's back up to $0.84. And also I do have a Discord, the link is below. We recommended NGA at $27 and now NGA is at $33.50, and we also recommended SGBX, XG blocks at $5.80, and now SGBX sits at $7.65. And also I just want to let you guys know that I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence before buying into any stock that I mention or recommend in this video. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and my opinions may not always be correct. So it's important you do your due diligence before buying into any stock in the stock market. So the company we're going to be talking about today is Ceragon Networks Limited. It currently sits at $4.85. It is up 53.97% from Friday, and currently after hours it sits at $5.59. So that is a change of 15.26%. And that is some insane growth for this company over the past week. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you what this company does. I'm going to also tell you why I believe ARK Invest have bought 1 million shares into this company. And I'm going to give you my price prediction for this company, short term and long term, whether I'll be buying into this company. And also I'm going to be talking about the sector as a whole. And I'll be giving some other big names who are keen on this sector as well. So make sure you tune into this video. It is not one you want to miss out on. So who are Ceragon Networks Limited? So it says here, who are we? Ceragon Networks Limited delivers innovative wireless backhaul solutions that help you increase your operational efficiency, enhance your end customers' quality of experience, and ensure your peace of mind. As the #1 wireless backhaul specialist, Ceragon has been leading the industry for over 20 years now. Our mission is resolving your wireless backhaul challenges, helping you achieve the highest value for you. Our solutions are deployed by more than 460 service providers, as well as hundreds of private network owners in more than 130 different countries. So simply putting it, that is what Ceragon do. On their website, it says, while 5G presents great business potential to create new revenue streams, it is accompanied by new types of network and operational challenges. To unlock your 5G business potential, you need a solution that allows you to launch new services and address new target markets while overcoming the new dimensions of 5G network challenges. It says, point number 1, target markets dimension, multiple 5G use cases and services. Point number 2, architecture complexity dimension, multiple 5G network scenarios. Point number 3, spectrum complexity dimension, multiple 5G RAN frequency bands. Solutions addressing these challenges need to be first and foremost flexible. With its flexible wireless hauling solutions, Ceragon allows you to unlock your 5G potential by answering those challenges across multiple dimensions. Ceragon's flexible wireless hauling solution brings spectrum flexibility, disaggregated wireless hauling and SDN support. These allow you to gain operational efficiency, peace of mind, and business success as you evolve to 5G. So taking in all of this, I'm no IT or 5G specialist, but it seems to me that this just makes your 5G experience a lot smoother and will help prevent those challenges that people will be facing with 5G. But it seems here that Ceragon do resolve all these issues, and as it says, they deliver innovative wireless backhaul solutions that increase operational efficiency. And in big institutions, what you do want is operational efficiency to make sure everything is running smooth, because anything that is not running smoothly and that is not efficient, number 1, will cost you money, and number 2, will cost you time, and time will cost you money. So it's kind of like a knock-on effect. And this is why I feel like ARK Invest have bought heavily into Ceragon. They have 460 service providers in more than 130 different countries. So they're a big name worldwide, and I'm pretty sure they're a trusted name as well for them to have 460 service providers. And I'm pretty sure as they do grow, this will only increase, especially with the 5G space being so big this year. And I'm pretty sure it will be bigger in the next years to come. So as you can see here, ARK Invest have bought 970,011 shares of Ceragon Networks Limited. And I feel like this is what drove the share price up when people realized that ARK Invest were buying. And usually ARK Invest only invest in companies with long-term potential, especially Tesla. ARK Invest were buying Tesla in the 200s. Now look at Tesla's share price now. So I feel like the fact that ARK Invest have been buying into this has attracted a lot of new investors, as people do trust ARK Invest investments. So in this article, it says here, earlier this week, Needham analyst Alex Henderson assigned Ceragon a buy rating of $3.80. When the report was published, the target represented over a 20% upside on the stock price. However, Henderson came up with the new price target after Ceragon hosted a presentation at its growth conference. And Henderson noted that Ceragon was seeing stronger customer interest in its newly launched IP50 platform. Plus, Henderson is expecting spending in India to rebound this year. Henderson upped his price target just after a week of setting an initial price target, and this is because of the growth conference. And I feel like for you to increase the price target by a lot after a week shows that this growth conference must have blown people away. And as he said, Ceragon were getting strong customer interest from its newly launched IP50 platform. And also the fact that the spending in India is expected to rebound this year means that it will generate a lot more revenue for Ceragon. And it also says here, whenever ARK Invest increases its stake in a company, the stock price of that company generally heads north. And I agree, we've seen the price action on Friday, over a 50% increase of Ceragon's stock price. And it says ARK Invest had increased its stake, and now it has 970,011 shares in Ceragon, valued at over $4.7 million in its ARK Israel Innovative Technology ETF. Also, another big name, Jim Cramer, spoke of the 5G sector. So it says here, we've been getting ready for the big 5G build out for years. It really got rolling last year, but now it's got the momentum we need to invest in. I do have some numbers to back this up. It says here the global market for 5G reached $5.53 in 2020, and this is expected to reach $667 billion by 2026. So this is more than a tenfold increase in the sector alone, and this shows a CAGR of 122.3% from 2021 to 2026. So the 5G market is expected to become more than 10 times bigger in the next 5 years. And we've seen how 5G stocks like Ceragon have grown since March. And Ceragon has tripled since March. It was at $4.12 and now it sits at $14.12. In short term, I can see the stock doubling in the coming weeks or the next month or two. And long term, I could see the stock price 10x. I could see a tenfold in the stock price long term, especially them being the #1 holding specialist. And the fact that ARK Invest have invested in them will also bring them much more attention. I feel like with new customer interest regarding their products, the share price should only go up from here as their revenue increases, especially with countries and companies bouncing back. As I've mentioned before, India, they'll be able to increase their spending power on holding specialists like Ceragon. So I do like the look of this company, and I myself will be buying into this company and holding for the long term. And regarding India's spending, which is expected to rebound, and the fact that Hawaii's market share is in this geography, I do expect Ceragon to heavily benefit from this. So I do expect some massive revenue growth from them this year, especially as the 5G market increases more than tenfold in the next 5 years. So as I said, I'll be building a very, very long-term position in this company. I wouldn't be surprised to see that 20% gain every week for the next coming weeks with this company. They seem to have a lot of potential, and I can understand why ARK has bought 1 million shares in this company. They look to be holding long term, and I'll be looking to hold long term as well. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, help me reach 300 subscribers by the end of the day, and also hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities. I'll catch you in the next video, and don't forget that Discord link is free below in the description.